I'm a double O, I went kickboxing. Prada was your Vinci coat, she went crisscrossing. I hop out, went in the store, she told me, yeah, callin'. I fill my coupe with plenty hoes, I went hotboxing. Yeah, I got $1 million, river diamonds on my back, slam. Renzo called my phone, he told me, top, you just too slam. Rex all in my home, Rex all on my phone. I got these hoes on around and thong, she just bought me baby cologne. I told them get out the yo, cause I'm up in my zone, bro, gon' smoke out the pound, I'ma live right down. Running back up 50 mil for my tools. I grew up in the gutter, I'm straight out the school. She keeping her distance, that money gon' lose. They ain't knocking my pimp, she ready to do. I reloaded, I'm with it, I'm running right to it. Anytime and I get it when I run into him. Alright, on the top line tonight. Ring, ring, can you start that calling my line? That nigga Jabronis, but Henry be on it, you know that he doing it right. I'ma leave with a friend and come back through the night. And then so she fantastic, that pussy was tight. Rain it up, I just put up in a Benz truck. All of my diamonds so bright, shine been changing the look. All these crews they bout taekwondo, I keep it straight down Milano. She know that I'm heaven, I dress up in belly, I switch it to take it. She still let me save it, she know that I love that for me. Let's start with race, so I switch to the class, so I turn on my dad. My sister got paper, my mama I manage. Filling up under a shirt on manage. Pack my shit and wipe my teeth. Chinese restaurant go eat. This bitch way from overseas, and I gotta dissect one milk, she's paid to. I'm a double O, I went kickboxing. Prada was your Vinci coat, she went crisscrossing. I hop out, went in the store, she told me, yeah, callin'. I fill my coupe with plenty hoes, I went hotboxing. Yeah, I got $1 million, river diamonds on my back, slam. Renzo called my phone, he told me, top, you just too slam. Rex all in my home, bitch, Rex all on my phone. I got these hoes on around and thong, she just bought me baby cologne. Who got 3 M's? I'm gon' hit you through a wall. I got $1 million inside to go young. This shit ain't enough, make me feel like a child. $50,000, Jesus piece, I lay don't touch my child. I thought the challenge, tell them to take it to trial. Oh, I'm a cool like a mama, I ran up on commas, they see that I do. Lil' bro, they gon' stay with that llama, we pull up right on him, he ready to do. Lil' baby Latino, I'm calling him mine. From my state on a jet, a young nigga that flew. I ain't holding enough for to buy me a jet, but I buy me a yacht on the water, we tune. I ain't holding her up, she been bringing me down. Smiling on scene when they feel like she from. When that alley go up, I'ma dunk on these niggas, don't fuck with these niggas, they can't come around. Hearing so sick that he coughing, they know ain't no talking, I'm pulling up often. I ran out Miami, that's 50-some thousand, I turn up my loft with coffins. I tatted my face coming straight up the 8, nigga brought up my name, I off him. Nigga play with that money, we chalk him. Nigga try to come follow, I lost him. Nigga play like this nigga, I done mouthed him. Ain't no internet games, I called him. Boom and let it off on him, he saw them. Put them diamonds on floss. H2, I'm a double O, I went kickboxing. Prada was your Vinci coat, she went crisscrossing. I hop out, went in the store, she told me, yeah, callin'. I fill my coupe with plenty hoes, I went hotboxing. Yeah, I got $1 million,